Hey, Jeremy, can you sell me a fridge? Can you sell me a fridge, Jeremy?
Not much about the appliances.
But if you oh, okay.
This young lady.
All right.
I can let you know that anything that's got the red sticker like this, I can't order. Anything that's got a green sticker, that's something that you can still get it.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, this young lady, she's got to check whatever for your house.
All right. Thank you, bro. That Lowe's about to purchase the refrigerator now. Refrigerator time. I don't know where my mama went. Yo, Ma, where you at? I hear her. She back at the faucets? I ain't buying on no damn faucet. You can cancel that shit. What you looking at? Huh? Who am I talking to? I'm talking to you. What you looking at? You need a faucet? I have a sink. A drop in? It's one of those sinks. Hold on. I gotta check. So you need a sink and a faucet?
Anyhow, what are you looking for now?
I'm looking for a salesperson.
Okay, that's not me.
No, it's not. Let me go find this lady here so she can try and It's my mama right there, y'all. It's my mama right there. She got a smart mouth. Boy, this is a little doggone washing machine right here, boy. It's my mama over there. And Beth. My mama and Beth. Yeah. Let me show y'all the fridge I'm getting. The frigid. Actually, it's a Samsung, so it's not a Frigidaire, but it's a Samsung. Where'd she go? 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 Here she is. Oh, nope. Nope. This is it right here. Samsung right there. Nice. Side by side. 10-year warranty. Stainless. The ice maker. Water. Ice and water. LED lights. Nice. $16.49. No, no, no. We're getting a discount. Yeah. All right. Let's get this done. Oops. Oh, wait a minute. This is jazzy right here. And they can still order. I like this. Hold up. What's this? Tell you the temperature and all this stuff. What's this? Is this Samsung? Nope. Frigidaire. Moving right along. Oh, and it's got that bottom freezer. Yeah, I don't like that. Oh, wow. That's nice, though, the way it looks. Gradual lighting. That's sweet. Let's see. Oh, nice. I like that gradual lighting. Let's see if I don't think mine does that. Huh? How much is that one? Ain't no price on them. Ain't no price on that one. I don't like that bottom freezer though. I don't like this.
Oh, yeah.
You like it? You like yours?
Yeah, I had it for 22 years. Yeah.
It ain't been no 22 years. Yeah. Ma, you been there 22 years?
Well, we bought the house.
No. You been there 22 years?
Where? In South Carolina.
No, in South Carolina, yeah.
Yeah.
But not where you at right now.
No.
Oh, that's what I had to say. No.
Oh, no.
But you ain't. Your fridge ain't. That fridge.
The same fridge. I bought it from.
That is the same fridge. Oh my goodness, I didn't even realize that.
Yeah.
And you've never had it worked on.
No.
Now, we are not having ices in this store.
Ma'am?
We're not having races.
No. Let's fix your vernacular. You're not having races. We racing.
She and I are having a race soon together.
All right. What's your name again? I mean, you see me in here every day, right? What's your name again?
Deborah.
Deborah. All right. I need your help, Deborah. I'd like to purchase this Samsung over here.
Don't run into the appliances.
Oh no! If I break it, I bought. If I break it, I bought it. I've been warned before. I've been warned by the British guy.
Oh yeah, Malcolm.
Malcolm. Yeah, he's pretty.
He'll tell you.
That's right. He did. You see how good I did it, right? All right. This is the one I want right here.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you, red dots.
I know. I already know.
Okay,
So y'all, I can't get this one.
that's a red dot. No, sir, you cannot get red dots.
So I can't buy this one right here.
No, they won't sell the floor model. The only time they sell floor models if it's a discontinued or.
So can I ask you something?
Sure.
Why is this here?
It is here so that you can come into the store and you can see it and touch it. And when it turns green, you can buy one. You don't like my explanation?
No, I mean I just don't understand why they would have something here that I can't purchase, and now I need a refrigerator like immediately.
Well, we do. I mean, you can normally, but because of COVID, they back ordered so much stuff that we finally went and put red dots on what we cannot get right now. But now, if you've got time, you can keep checking back in with
I
us.
actually don't.
Okay, all right. The one on the end is a green
Is it Samsung?
LG. And I will tell you this, most of these are not on sale. Like that one's not on sale, but they should have another sale coming out Thursday.
What Samsungs do you have in stock that I can get?
Now I'll tell you this too.
I'm about to scrape one of your refrigerators now.
You do, and Randy there will have a word of
Randy don't want none of this smoke here. He see I ain't got no legs. Oh man, I knew this was
You
gonna
think I
happen.
should feel sorry for you?
I mean, could you? And now I tell you what. Now your scooter's dead too. Okay, so now I can't even get to the front. Now let's talk about that. My goodness.
You're gonna make me have
Every
to
time I come here, this scooter dies.
Oh, come on here.
No, don't worry.
I'm good. I have rested the biggest one. Come on.
Thank you, Ma.
Uh-huh.
No, but somebody's gonna have to bring this to the front.
Put it in this one.
You got it?
Yeah.
Along there pretty good.
Yeah,
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Slow down.
Doing good.
This is not a race.
Race is over. My scooter's dead. All right, where we at
I
now?
told you you can't be racing. Okay.
And of course, it has a bottom freezer. Okay.
This is the Samsung that has got the bottom freezer. That's Whirlpool.
Oh, God, you gotta be kidding me.
The battery's dead. I'm gonna have to push it up front unless you want to.
Unbelievable.
Now see, he's moving with it. Why couldn't you do that?
He got 3 seconds.
3 seconds?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there another one up front, you know?
It's supposed to be 3, but none of them are ever charged. Oh man, this is terrible. This is terrible. Do you have any green dots in the same price range as what I was looking at?
That's pretty much it. Mike.
It's $2,500.
I know he's in the process of bringing some refrigerators in that they're going to put on sale. Yes, sir.
Refrigerator.
Yes, sir.
What
What
you
you
got?
need?
Something about 17 cubic foot for a rental house.
Okay, you want a top freezer mount.
Yeah.
I don't think we've got any, but you can look over there. They're all on that other side.
I'm very
If
disappointed
if
right
it has
now.
a green dot, they're available. We can get it delivered to you within a day or two. Red dots are unavailable right now.
I look for a green dot.
Yes, sir.
They're in the upper right corner.
Upper right corner.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you.
And if it's red like mine is, the one I want, you can just forget it. That's right. That's how you say it. That's the reflectful way.
Do you want me to put you back
Yeah,
on
this
that
one's
one?
a little. Huh?
Do you want me to put you back on that?
No, please, I don't want that scooter. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke, sister. None.
I hope there's another one up there we can bring back for her.
What's this? Humidity. The what do they call these?
I think
The
this is
humidity-
just, this is the refrigerator part.
Oh, that's still part of the refrigerator.
Yeah. Now the one on the end has a drawer like this, but you can either make it refrigerator or freezer.
Yeah, this one's out of my budget.
Yeah, mine too. Wow.
Yeah,
3,200.
exactly.
I wouldn't have any food to put in. I
For
wouldn't need a
months, I'd be
refrigerator.
dead from starvation
Yeah.
before I
Yeah,
could
we
make the
don't-
first
We
payment.
don't even look at that one.
Oh, you ain't got to tell me. I done looked all in that one.
There wasn't another one out there.
Oh man. Now let me ask you this. Can I ask you this? All right. Oh boy, I tell you, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Crazy day in the morning.
Yes, sir. That one's sold.
This actual model is sold?
Evidently,
How'd they
I
do
wasn't
that?
here. It must be one they were discontinuing because that's the only way they would sell a floor model. They are starting to get the new models out now.
So y'all can't discontinue this one Samsung for me so I can move on with life and not cry for the ouch. Oh, I'm suing Lowe's. Did you see that? Oh man, I might almost lost my leg.
Your is awful.
Oh, you're a company woman. Okay,
You
all right.
cannot go forward.
Oh, so you're a company
Look,
lady.
reverse.
Company lady. Now, what I don't see is where the filter goes in for the water on this one.
Oh, let's see. Oh, right down there.
Okay. But it doesn't matter because I can't get this. Do you know if another store has this one?
No, what it is, everything, all the appliances come out of one warehouse from Dillon, South Carolina. And all of the Lowe's stores in this area get it from the same warehouse. I tell you, let me check and see if maybe another store has one of these,
I sure would appreciate it, dear.
you know, just sitting out somewhere.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, wait a minute.
You want me to stand? I can get that.
I need to know,
All
I
right.
just need the 1654835.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I'm
I didn't mean to
vertically
work. I
challenged.
didn't mean to work you like that. Now.
Yeah, you did.
No, that's my fault.
That was your goal when you came
Absolutely
in the door.
not.
I saw you.
Now the other day when I was looking for the floor and I wanted to work you, but Mike got me. I worked Mike to pieces. Matter of fact, the guy came and took the measurements this morning.
Oh, I tell you what, from now on when I see you coming, I'm gonna run this way.
There you go. That's how you make
With
it.
him. Oh, you have my sympathy.
Can't get that fridge. Can't get that fridge.
Why not?
Because it's got a red dot on it. Anything with a red dot can't get. How you doing?
Oh, okay.
So this has really disturbed me now. Because I'm not getting anything other than Samsung. Because it matches my stove. They don't have anything we can get actually.
I know. Today, you just
Don't even try.
that's right.
Oh,
I picked it up.
Huh?
Lovely personality.
Who?
Deborah.
Oh.
see, she likes me.
Hey, listen, you know, I'm trying to like you too, Deb. Ain't no sense lying.
Yeah, I know. If I find you a
Let's
refrigerator,
let's work a deal.
fine.
I think I'm gonna like you regardless.
Oh,
You all right with me? Why does it look like lights in here? Strange. Look like lights inside that wash bin.
oh. I wouldn't doubt anything. I look at these washers and dryers and I'm like,
The technology is amazing.
oh, golly.
Yep.
I mean, they have smart washers and dryers.
Oh yeah, you can start from
talk to
your
'em with
yeah.
phone.
That's right.
Is that right?
Start them from your mine is like that.
Wow.
I haven't used that feature one time.
Yes.
Well, that's like the refrigerator. I don't know if we've got one in the store.
The smart one?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all showing it online. I couldn't afford it though.
Well, I wouldn't need it. If I can't look in there before I go to the grocery store and figure out what I need, I'm not going to get to the grocery store and call my refrigerator.
And ask it hey, what do I need to bring home? Yeah.
What am I
Do that. What's the point in having it?
That's right. That's why I'm not having it.
No, not a one. Nobody's got them.
Lowe's and Home Depot owned by the same people?
No. But Lowe's is about, I mean, Home Depot's in about the same position we are. We had a lady come in earlier today. We didn't have what she wanted, couldn't get it. She said, well, I'll just go to Home Depot. She went to Home Depot. She comes back an hour later. They can't deliver till, I think she said November. So, let me see what he's bringing in.
If you went close to what you're looking for?
Hmm?
If you went close?
No.